In this video, we will introduce the complete guide to prepare for 3V0-23.25 VMware Cloud Foundation 9.0 Storage Certification. VMware Cloud Foundation 9.0 Storage Certification. Know the exam details. Minimally acceptable candidate. Understand exam sections. Best study strategy for success. 1. A customer is modernizing a data center and wants to simplify operations by eliminating a separate storage array. They want compute and storage to scale together and be managed through vCenter. Which storage architecture best fits this requirement? A. Traditional SAN with FC. B. Traditional NAS with NFS. C. Hyper-converged infrastructure, HCI. D. External ISCSI array. 2. A workload requires extremely high IOPS with predictable latency and already uses a dedicated enterprise storage team and FC fabric. Which architecture is most appropriate? A. vSAN ESA. B. HCI with vSAN OSA. C. Traditional FC SAN. D. vSAN 2-node cluster. 3. Which component is responsible for defining data availability, performance, and space efficiency in vSAN? A. Disk groups. B. Fault domains. C. Storage policies. D. vSAN health service. 4. In a VCF workload domain, which storage type is used to host system-managed workloads and is mandatory for domain creation? A. Supplemental storage. B. Principal storage. C. External NFS data store. D. vSAN file service share. 5. Which component is used to deploy and manage vSAN clusters within a VCF workload domain? A. vSphere Lifecycle Manager. B. VMware ARIA Operations. C. SDDC Manager. D. vSAN Health Service. 6. A customer wants native snapshot-based protection and recovery for vSAN workloads without third-party tools. Which feature should be configured? A. vSAN File Services. B. vSAN ISCSI Target Service. C. vSAN Data Protection. D. vSphere Replication. 7. Which tool provides end-to-end visibility into vSAN performance, capacity, and health within VCF? A. SG Host Client. B. VMware ARIA Operations for logs. C. vSAN Performance Service. D. VMware ARIA Operations. 8. A vSAN cluster shows frequent resynchronization events after host maintenance. What is the most likely cause? A. Incorrect NFS version. B. Storage policy misconfiguration. C. Insufficient free capacity for repairs. D. Disabled vSAN health service. 9. A Kubernetes platform team is deploying workloads using vSphere with Tanzu, supervisor, in a VCF workload domain. They require persistent storage that supports dynamic provisioning and storage policy-based management. Which storage solution best meets this requirement? A. vSAN data store with storage policy-based management. BVMFS data store over FC without storage policies. C. NFS data store mounted directly to worker nodes. D. vSAN ISCSI target service. 10. A VCF workload domain uses vSAN ESA with a requirement for high availability during maintenance and frequent hardware upgrades. Which design consideration is most critical? A. Maximum number of disk groups. B. Sufficient free capacity for object repair. C. Increased stripe width. D. Enabling deduplication and compression. Check the correct answers for each question. Subscribe Passert for more IT exam prep.